Hello, I am Alexis with Spire Wellness, and I'm assuming if you're watching this video, you're preparing for that 5K distance run. And if not, you can still watch this video to find out great stretching and important tips for a long or short distance run. Whether you are a first-time runner or a seasoned veteran, you can always get prepared to do the best stretching for the most important results. It is always vital to stretch prior to a workout and after, so stay tuned, figure out what you need to do to get moving. Now we are going to stretch together. So we're going to start by doing our 30 to 40 second arm swings. I always strongly recommend to stretch for at least 30 to 40 seconds. Okay, so we're going to slowly swing the arms back. Good, we're going to reverse, we're going to come front with the arm circles. Now if you have a bad rotator's cuff or anything wrong with your shoulders in general, just really take your time and be careful. Okay, and again, let's reverse that back. Big arm circles. Good, last time front. Good, so that just wakes up your muscles and gets your arms going. Next, we are going to do toe touches. So we're going to stick that right foot out. We're going to slowly go down. Try and touch the toe, really tighten your tummy. Always make sure you're breathing. We can't stretch if we're not breathing. All right, you're really going to feel this stretch in your hamstring area, maybe even the calf muscles as well. So really just take your time. Good, we're going to switch. So that was the right leg. We're going to switch to the left. We're going to stick that left foot out. Slowly again, take your time, bend over. Really try to touch that toe. Balance and breathe. Again, you're going to still feel this in that hamstring and even that calf muscle area. Okay, I even feel it on the opposite leg as well. So kind of in my glute area is also where I feel the stretch. Good, we're going to come back up. We are going to hit ankles next. So if you need to balance, put your hands on your hips. That's what I recommend, just to help. Again, we're going to stick that right foot out and we are going to slowly roll the toe just to warm those ankles up. And you're going to reverse directions with that same foot. Again, slowly roll the toe, tighten the core to help you balance. Good. We're going to switch legs next. Again, all of these stretches are within 30 to 40 seconds. We're going to start rolling that left toe. So you really want to take your time. You do not want to rush your stretches because in that case, there's no point to stretch. You're going to reverse. So you always want to take your time and breathe. Breathing is the first and foremost important thing. Great. Next, we are going to hit our calf muscles, okay? So we are going to stand feet shoulder width apart. We are going to elevate the heels up. Tummy is always tight. You're still breathing. Your shoulders are relaxed. You're going to hold it and you're going to go down. Good. So again, we're going to raise up. Really lift the heels. This one's tricky to talk and balance at the same time. Bring it down. Good. Again, up, lift the heels, take your time, relax the shoulders, and down. Really engage the calves, get them warmed up. Good, we'll do one more. Bring the heels up as high as you can, hold it. Good, and bring it back down. Good. Next, we are going to, again, if you need to balance, I would recommend for this one to have your arms out to a 180 degree straight line. We are going to grab our toe, okay? We are really gonna stretch out our quads. And actually, let me turn to the side to show you this one as well. Okay, and if you need to, find a wall, hold on to a wall if you need to, or a door. Really focus on balancing, tightening that tummy, breathing. This stretch you're really going to feel in your quadricep area, the front part of your leg. Okay, we're going to hold that. We are going to switch. We're going to switch over to the other side. Again, if you need the wall, you can use it. You're going to grab the left toe and you're really going to breathe again. Take your time. really feel this stretch in your quadriceps. You might even feel this stretch in your calf muscles. Again, it depends on how sore you are and where your muscle tension is. Good, we're gonna bring it back. And we are gonna do our ab and adductors. So again, to balance, put those hands on your hips. We're gonna start with the right leg, okay? And again, I'm gonna show you from the side. You are going to swing that leg, okay? You're gonna swing it in front of you. You can even add to it, I would say, and cross back and front. Swing it back and front. Just really slowly taking your time. You do have to balance, so again, your core is tight. You can even try talking at the same time. Good. And we are going to switch. So we're going to use that left leg now. Again, we are doing ab and adductor swings. First, I'm just going to start by showing you crossing in front. Really take your time. Tummy's tight. Now we're going to cross front and back. Really swinging, opening up the hips, the inner thighs. I kind of have a turnout with my feet. Good, and you're gonna bring it back to the center. And I think that those are the most important stretches that you will need to start your running, your long distance, your 5K in general, or just stretching on an everyday basis. So I hope that you enjoyed those stretching exercises. Thanks again for joining me today with these stretches. Remember, it's always important to stretch prior to a workout and after your workout. The workout itself is just as important as stretching, so don't ever forget it.